In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a page as homepage in WordPress. If you want your site to open with a clean, custom landing page instead of a rolling list of blog posts, this is exactly what you need. We'll walk through the setting together, and I'll explain what each choice means, so you know you're making the right call for your site. First, head into your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand side, look for Settings, and then click Reading. This is where WordPress controls what visitors see first when they arrive at your site. Even though it's a small page, it has a big impact on your site's structure. Near the top, you'll see an option that says Your Home Page Displays. By default, many sites are set to show your latest posts. That turns your front page into a blog index that automatically updates with new entries. If your site is more business-focused, portfolio-driven, or you simply want a consistent landing page, switch this to a static page. Choosing a static page tells WordPress to display a specific page you've designed, so the front of your website stays consistent and doesn't change every time you publish something new. Once you select a static page, two drop-downs appear. Focus on the one labeled Home Page. Open that drop-down and pick the page you want to feature as your front page. Only published pages appear here, so you'll see the page titles that are already live on your site. Choosing it here doesn't move or copy content. It simply designates that page as the one visitors see first. If your theme includes a special homepage template, or you've built a layout with the block editor or a page builder, that design will show up as your front page once selected. After making your selection, scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes. This is important. Until you save, WordPress won't apply the new setting. When the page refreshes, you'll see a confirmation notice that your settings were saved successfully. From now on, when someone visits your main site address, they'll land on the page you chose instead of a list of posts. That's all it takes. You've navigated to Settings, opened the reading settings, switched to a static page, picked the page you want, and saved your changes. This quick adjustment gives you full control over your site's first impression, making it easier to guide visitors to the content that matters most. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new homepage setup.